Calculate without calculators. 8 raised to power 6 multiplied by 5 raised to power 5. Solution. 8 raised to power 6 can be written as 8 to the power of 5 plus 1 multiplied by 5 to the power of 5. You have a raised to power n plus m. This is equal to a to the power of n multiplied by a to the power of m. 8 to the power of 5 multiplied by 8 raised to power 1, then multiplied by 5 to the power of 5. Now this is power of 5 and this is also power of 5. Now if you have a raised to power n multiplied by b raised to power n, this is equal to ab to the power of n. 8 multiplied by 5 to the power of 5 multiplied by 8 raised to power 1. Then 8 times 5, this is equal to 40 to the power of 5 multiplied by 8. 40 is also 4 times 10 raised to power 5 multiplied by 8. 4 raised to power 5 multiplied by 10 to the power of 5 multiplied by 8. Now this is 4 raised to power 5, can be written as 2 raised to power 2 to the power of 5 multiplied by 10 to the power of 5 multiplied by 8 can be written as 2 raised to power 3. Then remember this rule that a raised to power n to the power of m is equal to a raised to power n m. 2 raised to power 2 times 5, that is 10. 2 raised to power 10 multiplied by 10 raised to power 5 multiplied by 2 raised to power 3. Now if you rearrange, we have 2 to the power of 10 multiplied by 2 to the power of 3 multiplied by 10 raised to power 5. Also take note of this rule that a raised to power n multiplied by a raised to power m, this is equal to a raised to power n plus m. And so we have 2 to the power of 10 plus 3 multiplied by 10 to the power of 5. And this is equal to 10 plus 3, that is 13. 2 raised to power 13 multiplied by 10 raised to power 5. And 2 raised to power 13 is 8192 multiplied by 10 raised to power 5. And our final answer is 81920000. That is our final answer.